In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a campaign URL on Mailchimp in just 5 minutes. This is a really useful skill, especially if you're managing multiple campaigns and want to ensure each one is tailored perfectly for your audience. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Mailchimp account. As you probably already know, Mailchimp is a great tool for creating, sending, and analyzing emails and ad campaigns. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a new campaign. From your Mailchimp dashboard, navigate to your campaign section. You'll want to click on all campaigns, which will take you to a page that lists all your existing campaigns. Here, you will click create to start developing a new one. This brings you to a page where you can see various options. For our purposes, choose email from these options. This selection will guide you through the steps of creating an email campaign. Next up, it's time to design your email. Designing an email might sound intimidating, but Mailchimp makes it incredibly easy. The first thing you need to do is select a template. Mailchimp provides a nice variety of templates to choose from. You can start with a basic template or opt for a pre-designed one that aligns with your campaign's theme. It's all about what fits your style and needs best. Once a template is chosen, you can roll up your sleeves and dig into customizing the content. Mailchimp's drag and drop editor makes this a breeze. You can add text, images, buttons, and even social media links. Take a moment to tweak the colors, fonts, and design elements to ensure everything matches your branding. One neat trick to engage your audience is personalizing the email using merge tags, such as inserting a recipient's first name. After you've added your content and made everything look perfect, remember to click save and exit. Now that your draft is ready, there's one last thing to address before sending: editing your URL. This step is key to making your campaign easily accessible and shareable. Under the share your email section, locate the email link and click edit. Mailchimp automatically generates a URL for each campaign. However, you have the opportunity to customize the last part of this URL by clicking Edit next to the campaign URL. This customization feature allows you to personalize the URL to make it more intuitive and memorable for your audience. Once you're satisfied with the URL, the final step is to save your changes and send out your campaign. Simply click on Save, then send your email off into the world. And that's it, you've successfully changed your campaign URL on Mailchimp. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and feel free to drop any questions or comments below. Happy marketing!